Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to stop microphone from auto adjusting in Windows 11 or the previous version of Windows. Now, there are a couple of steps which you need to try to fix the problem. Without any delay, let's get started. Now, the first and foremost step is you can try to run the recording troubleshooter on your Windows. What you can do is, in order to do that, you will have to click on the start button and then go to settings. If you're using a previous version, you can do a right click and then go to settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will have to navigate to the extreme bottom and look for troubleshoot option. Once you're on the troubleshoot option, you can select other troubleshooter. Under troubleshooter, what you will have to do is you will have to look for recording audio. Click on run, and you will have to go ahead and follow the steps what you are seeing on the screen. Now, in case if you're using the previous version of Windows other than previous or other than 11 or 10 or maybe older version, you will see an option as run speech troubleshooter instead of seeing recording audio troubleshooter. So as soon as you run this recording audio troubleshooter, you will see a couple of options here. In my case, I'm using a USB condenser microphone at the moment. In case if you're using any of the device, in case if it is a default, then it would be microphone. Or if you have any other headset under this section, you can go ahead and select whichever you're using currently at the on your phone. So these are the device which drivers which are associated. So you can choose whichever your devices you're using or having a problem with. Click on next and follow the instruction. So I'm going to not going to run this troubleshooter because that will affect the current video recording. So please follow the steps and complete the troubleshooter. Restart your computer and check if if your microphone still auto adjust the volume on your computer. Now, in spite of trying or running the troubleshooter, if you're still facing a problem, the next step what I would suggest you is to click on the search button and type control panel. Open control panel. In case if in the control panel, if it is in the category view or if it is in the small icons, select large icons view so that all the icons are displayed in large or in detail under this section. Under the control panel settings or the computer settings, you will have to click on sound. Once you're on the sound, you will have to click on the recording tab. Under the recording tab, again you would see the set of instruction here. In case if you're using a default microphone, then you can go ahead and select microphone here, or if you're using any other device like I'm using a condenser microphone, then I would go ahead and select the one which is causing a problem and then click on properties. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to select a default microphone and click on properties. Under properties, click on advanced. Under advanced, make sure you go ahead and uncheck the option which says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Make sure you go ahead and uncheck this. Click on apply and then click on OK. Once this is done, what you can also do is you can go back to the properties of microphone and go to levels. Make sure you change these levels back to 75 or maybe a little higher than that, and click on apply and then click on OK. Once that is done, go back to the same sound options here, go to communication. Under communication, what you can also do is you can go ahead and make sure the option which says do nothing, if any of these options are checked, which says reduce the volume of other sounds by 80% or reduce by 50%, make sure you go ahead and check the box which says do nothing. Click on apply and then click on OK. Restart your computer and check if the computer still go ahead and auto adjust the volume. Now, in spite of trying all these steps, in case if you're still facing a problem, there might be a chances that your computer might be infected with any sort of malware. So what I would recommend you is to run a complete scan of your computer. In case if you have a Windows Defender, run a complete scan. You can do a right click and open Windows Defender on your computer, or in case if you have any other antivirus, run a complete scan, check for the updates, run the complete scan, the full scan, and once the scan is complete, go ahead and restart the computer, and that should fix the problem. And even after trying all these steps, if you're still facing a problem, please leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will come up with a possible solution. So I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.